Alright, well today my Titan Fitness Hex Bar showed up. Let's open it up and take a look. So like I said at the beginning, we're going to take a look at the Titan Fitness Olympic Hex Bar today. Mine showed up. I'm looking forward to opening it up. So what I'll do is I'll unbox it, let you take a look at how it comes, and then we'll come back here and I'll talk about how Titan Fitness talked me into spending some money with them. Alright, here we go. So this is how it comes. One big box. It's free shipping from the website. Shows up right at your door. This is the OBHEX, the Titan Fitness Olympic Hex Bar. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so got our warranty card. And we got spring clips, and I'll give you a better view of these once we're done. Alright, so I got it laid out on my workout mat here so you can get a better look at it. So there's your clamps that come with it, and they seem to be pretty good. So initial reaction to this thing, it's probably hard to see, but the knurling on all four bars is really good. Really good. It doesn't kind of taper off or fade. It's nice and deep all the way across. It feels good in the hand. It's not overly aggressive, but you're definitely going to get a good grip on it. Next, take a look at the welds. Let that focus. They're good and clean and smooth. I hope they show up good on the camera here because it's pretty reflective. But the welds all the way around look really good. You can see a couple more here. Alright. The finish on it is great. It's chromed. I'm sure you can see that if I can focus. But no nicks or dings, no scratches. Really good. The sleeves on the end are nice and smooth. No ridges. Again, no chips, dings, dents, nothing like that. Then I'm going to reposition here and let you see the end where the retaining rings are. So hold tight 1 second while I shift this around.
here's a shot of the end of the sleeve to let you see the rotating rings. Nice and clean. Again, no dents or cuts or scratches or anything. I'm going to take a couple of measurements here and give you an idea of the sort of the overall size of it. From the center of the handles, about 24.5. Outside to outside, about 25.25. The total overall length, 56 inches. And then the front to back on the hex here, inside, is 21 inches. So I don't know if it'll give you a good idea or not, but there's plenty of room inside. So then to back up again, you've got the top handles, and then you can flip it. You've got a second set, a little bit of distance off the floor, and that's going to sit up about 4 inches off the floor. So by flipping it over, you give yourself 4 inches. All in all, I have to say it's really nice. Nowhere on it have I found any imperfections in the finish. Of course, you saw it in the box. It was shipped really, really well. And all the welds look good. So yeah, there you go. So of course this thing is not rackable per se, but I wanted to put it up here and give you an idea of size. Kind of compare it to the rack there, just laid up on the spotter arms. So here's a little shot with plates on it. I don't have any bumper plates, but I got a couple of cast irons on there. You can see how those are 25s. So it sits up off the floor. It's a little hard to see, I guess, but it sits up off the floor about 1/4 of an inch. Sleeves are nice and smooth. The plates slid right on. Clamps work really well. So there you go.
All right, so let's hit a few of the points here. As you heard me say throughout, the welds looked good, top and bottom all over. No spatter anywhere, good clean welds, good solid welds. The finish, chrome, good everywhere. I didn't see any chips, nicks, dings, no surface rust of any kind. It wasn't even greasy or oily. I mean, the thing is really clean. It's all steel. Some of the ones I saw when I was researching them were aluminum or had aluminum parts to them. Not really what I was looking for. This one is all steel. The sleeve length on this one, 9 3/4 inches. Plenty of room to pack it up. Nice space saver. Handle to handle, 24.5 inches. I saw some out there that were a little narrower. I wanted something like the 24.5. I felt like that was going to be a good reach, a good distance. It's 56 inches is the total sleeve to sleeve length. And the thing weighs 44 pounds and it will hold up to 500 pounds. So pretty good. I'm not going to be testing that limit anytime soon. I know they make some that are a little bit bigger and certainly some more high end out there. I looked at several. Like I said, I bet I looked at 15 different ones, and some just aren't very well made. You get what you pay for, you know. Some of them were just a lot more than I was ever going to need. I just wanted this one for one, to save a little bit of room. I could easily get a 5-foot bar, but I thought, you know, the price is about the same. I'm going to go with the Hex Bar, because with that one with the Hex Bar, I can do deadlifts, I can do shrugs, I can do bent over rows. And yeah, I could do some of that with the bar, but I felt as far as space savings goes and bang for the buck, considering the price wasn't that much different, I went ahead and went with the Hex Bar. Like I said, it's really, really well made. For some reason, and some of this is new to me, but I look around on the internet reading reviews, and I see a lot of people banging on Titan Fitness. I don't know, maybe at one time they had quality issues, but this is the second product I've purchased from them. The first one being a bar, and it's great. I mean, for the price range, where do you go wrong? This Hex Bar looks fantastic. So for like 96 bucks, which is about what I put in it, you just can't go wrong. I did look at it on Titan's website and on Amazon. The two places that had it on Amazon were out of stock, and it ended up being about $20 cheaper from Titan's website because shipping is free. So whoever's selling it on Amazon is building some shipping into the price. But no complaints so far. I'm going to load it up, try to use it some probably tonight. And again, like my other reviews, I will come back after I've lived with it for a while and follow up and touch on it again. But if you have any questions about this, put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. But until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.